Hi cutie pies, welcome to Kids O'Clock with Saumya. In today's craft story, we will read aloud the story of Pogo the penguin. And in the craft section, we will learn to make a penguin notebook cover. And I'll also be telling you a very interesting fact about penguins. So let's start with our story. Pogo the penguin. Pogo the penguin was an over-pampered little penguin. His parents never said anything to him, no matter what he did. And that was because they trusted Pogo a lot and believed that he would never do anything wrong. But Pogo took undue advantage of his parents' trust. He started bunking school, sometimes to play games on his phone or click selfies, sometimes to listen to his favorite songs,
You've nowhere to go.
and sometimes just to dance. But then came the result of his midterm exams. Pogo got grade F, lowest grade in his class. Pogo was taken aback. He never expected this would happen. All his classmates laughed at him and he cried a lot. When Pogo showed his grade card to his parents, they were very disappointed. They didn't say a word to Pogo, but their sadness was evident in their eyes. Pogo decided to study hard and get good marks in his final exams and make his parents proud. Pogo: I will study hard and I will get very good marks in my final exams. I promise myself. Few days before the final exam was school festival. All other penguin students got distracted by it and didn't focus on studying. But Pogo the penguin was determined. He wanted to make his parents proud. Seeing everyone dance and party did make Pogo want to join them too. But he knew he had a lot to study before the final exam. After all, he had been bunking his school for quite a lot of time. But whenever he lost his focus, he reminded himself of his dream. The dream of making his parents proud. Pogo: I'll make my parents proud, no matter what. And he would go back to studying even more seriously. Finally, the day of exam came. The question paper was very difficult, but Pogo had studied a lot. He finished his test in no time. Pogo: I'm done with my test. And then the results were announced. Pogo had not only passed his test with flying colors, he had also topped his school. Principal: Pogo, here is your medal and reward. Pogo: Thank you. Pogo's parents were happier than ever before, and Pogo was happy too. After all, he had made his parents proud of him. Did you all like the story? And did you see how Pogo eventually made his parents proud with his hard work and determination. Please watch this video till the end for a very interesting fact about penguins. Now it's time for our craft section. Let's learn to make a penguin notebook cover today. To make this penguin notebook cover, I have taken 3 construction papers. One is black, one is white and one is yellow. I've cut an oval shape on my black paper. It's going to be the main body of the penguin. Then I placed that black construction paper on the white paper and I traced the oval which I had just cut so that the body of the penguin is within that black oval. Now I made the body of the penguin as you can see here, and I cut it in the shape. Then I'm applying my Elmer's glue stick to paste the white paper on the black paper. After this, I picked up my yellow construction paper and I'm going to draw 3 ovals. So the 2 ovals that I just cut are going to be the feet of my penguin, and the bigger oval I'm going to fold it and then it is going to become the beak of my penguin. I had these eyes, so I pasted those on my penguin. If you don't have eyes like these, you can make them with white paper or just draw them with your black sketch pen. I took my red pen and I made blush marks on my penguin's cheek. Now I'm cutting 2 more ovals and I'm making my penguin's arms with these 2 and pasting them with my glue stick. Now if you want to hang this penguin in your room, you can simply put double tape on it, or I would rather prefer pasting it on a notebook and make it into a very cute notebook cover. And here it is. Our penguin notebook is ready. Have fun creating. If you all like my craft story, please hit like and also please subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with more interesting craft stories for you very soon. Till then, take care and happy crafting. Fun fact about penguins. A penguin's black and white coloring is called counter shading. All penguin species share counter shading camouflage. This means they have a lighter belly and a darker back and helps them camouflage from predators above and below them. Wow!
Wow!